Hello, I am Pratiksha Bosne and today's my topic is case report form in clinilearn. A case report form is an electronic or paper document which is used in a clinical trial to record the protocol and required information about each participant. It enables efficient and complete data collection, processing, analysis, and reporting. It is the main tool that investigators use to collect information from clinical trial participants, which is why there needs to be one completed CRF for each participant. The sponsor investigator puts together the CRF complication uh, completion guidelines and ensures that the site staff have received training before collecting, entering, and reviewing data. All users are given a unique username and password to gain access to the CRF and the trial database. The principal investigator assigns permission to each user, which includes data entry or data view only. Permission to access the data must be in accordance with the consent given by participants. The CRF should be completed soon after each participant's initial visit, which ensure that information can be followed up on while the participant is easily accessible. All the data should be collected with users in mind and the requirements set out by regulatory agencies. The questions should be as clear and concise as possible to prevent any duplication. Relationship to protocol. The clinical trial protocol determine what kind of data should be collected. All the information found in the CRF should be specified by the protocol. Any data that will not be analyzed shouldn't be included this in the CRF. A case report form consists of three main parts: a header, a safety related module, and efficacy related module. A header must contain key identification information including a study number, a site number, and a participant's ID number. The safety modules in that consist of the key safety analysis requirement found in the protocol, which includes demographic information, adverse event, medical history, physical exams, dates, dropouts, and eligibility confirmation. In efficacy models, the protocol outlines the elements which are required in the efficacy models. The element of these modules include the key efficacy endpoint of trial, additional tests to measure efficacy, how lesions will be measured, and required diagnostic. CRF development process. The development of the CRF begins as soon as the development process begins. The responsibility of the design varies between clinical research associates, data managers, research nurses, and database development. The only data collected for the CRF should be what is required by the protocol, nothing more, nothing less. Or interdisciplinary review is needed for every CRF. An effective CRF allows for component to be reused across the clinical trial, saving time and money. A poorly designed CRF is one that is missing requested data or has unnecessary information, meaning that is requires edits and modification throughout the clinical trial. The CRF completion guidelines should be followed to ensure that each CRF is accurate and completed in a timely manner. Make sure the appropriate protocol investigator, the participant identifying information is included in the header. Ensure the data is entered in the correct data field. To make it clear where the answer should be entered, use the appropriate unit of measurement. Be consistent. Double check spelling and grammar. Watch for transcription error. Use the comment section to expand or on any answer. Use consistent format, font style, and font size. visual boxes which indicate the place and the format of data to be recorded. Use checkboxes, separate columns with thick lines. Use pre-coded answer sheet wherever possible. The electronic CRF ensure data integrity, provides an audit trail for data changes, ensure data preservation, essential identification information will be generated from the first page to all other pages, ensuring no duplication. Linking data between two or more pages is easy. There is always the threat of losing valuable data due to software malfunction or it if the CRFs aren't back up successfully. Thank you.